Welcome back. In this session, we are going to procure the components required for subcontracting. Go to ME21N. If you want to create this from purchase requisition like this, you can create the same. You need to go to ME51N and create the purchase requisition. Go here, copy this. This is 2, this is 1. 0001. Check for consistency. We don't have any issue here. Save this. Copy this PR. This purchase requisition is created for procuring components. PR. Go to ME21N. Here we are going to procure this from a different vendor. Subcontracting. I am going to procure this component from ABC Limited. Now click on this one. My requisitions. See, this is a 378. Latest one, 378. Adapt this. We have copied these 2 items. Check for consistency. Here, go to this tab, delivery address. You need to maintain this because I don't want to receive these components. Rather, I want to deliver this component vendor directly to this subcontractor for processing this purchase order. So there is a slight change here. Go to delivery address. You need to maintain this vendor number here. That is the change coming to this process. Don't forget to select subcontracting vendor. Press enter. Click on S. See, it got changed here. Now check for consistency. We don't have any issues here. Save this. This is a new step because we want this component to be delivered directly to this vendor from ABC Limited. Save this. Copy this. This is my purchase order. Now release this purchase order. ME29N. Change this. Check for consistency. Release this. Save. We have successfully released this purchase order. Next step, check a stock report. Next step is to receive components as per this process flow. Now let us assume that this component vendor already delivered these goods to this subcontractor. Now he submitted this GR details and invoice for accounting. Now go to MIGO. This is logical GR. Physically we didn't receive anything here. Here select goods receipt. Copy this component PO. Press enter. Select this. Select this. Check for consistency. See, document is okay. System didn't ask anything about the storage location. The reason why it didn't ask anything, because we are not going to receive any physical components to our storage location. See, that is the reason. If you see, storage location is blank. Why it is blank? It is getting delivered to directly subcontract vendor. See here, what is the stock? Special stock indicator is parts provided to vendor. So before receiving these goods, see right now what is the stock provided to vendor? 0. This is also 0. Now go and receive these components. Once you complete this step, system automatically will show this component issued to the vendor. Post this. Now go and check the stock from MB52. See right now, before receiving this stock, we don't have any subcontract stock here. Components provided to vendor. Refresh this. See, this stock is provided to this vendor. What is the quantity? 2. Here 1. Hope you understand up to here. Next step is to, this is already done. Check the stock issued to the vendor, ME2O. Receive the final product. That we will see in the next session.